the Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad Company and Museum, located at 65 Thames Street in Portland, Maine, offers a captivating journey into the state's distinctive railroading past. Established in 1992, this nonprofit organization is dedicated to preserving and operating historic 2-foot narrow gauge railway equipment, a system uniquely suited to Maine's rugged terrain. Visitors can embark on a scenic 3-mile, 40-minute round-trip train ride along the picturesque Casco Bay. The journey features narrated insights into Portland's history and the significance of narrow gauge railroads in Maine's development. The train operates daily from May through October. Whether you're riding in the nostalgic red caboose or enjoying the upgraded comfort of first class, the journey aboard the Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad is a memorable experience from start to finish. This 2.1-mile paved trail wanders along the waterfront, offering panoramic views of Casco Bay. Built along a former rail corridor, it provides access to East End Beach and connects to both the Back Cove and Bayside trails. The trail is part of the historic Eastern Promenade Park, designed by the Olmsted brothers, and features amenities like benches, picnic areas, and access to Fort Allen Park.
Designed by the Olmsted brothers, who designed the roadways in the Great Smoky Mountains and Acadia National Parks, Atlanta's Piedmont Park, university campuses, residential neighborhoods, and entire park systems in cities including Cleveland and Seattle. Today, the Eastern Promenade.
East End Beach is located off the Eastern Promenade, is Portland's main public beach. It offers a sandy shoreline for swimming and is a popular launch site for kayaking and paddleboarding. Rentals and guided tours are often available, letting you explore Casco Bay's islands and inlets with ease. This narrow gauge train number 1 is housed at the Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad Company and Museum in Portland, is a treasured piece of New England rail history. Built in 1949 by the H.K. Porter Company of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, this small yet mighty locomotive originally served the Edaville Railroad in South Carver, Massachusetts, a pioneering heritage railway that preserved narrow gauge railroading after its decline in the early 20th century.
What is it?
The fan belt and the fuel pump.
Okay.
Just the engine. And back here is the generator and the air compressor.
Converts diesel to electric?
Yep.
The museum's collection includes restored locomotives and cars from the late 19th and early 20th centuries, offering a tangible connection to the past. Special events, such as the Polar Express, TM, train ride, pumpkin trains, and themed excursions, provide engaging experiences for all ages. Thank you for the wonderful experience aboard the Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad. The ride was both relaxing and nostalgic, offering beautiful views of Casco Bay and a unique glimpse into Maine's railroading past.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, MrBalerdash. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment. I enjoy reading them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.